Hello, this is Christina from Nexus. We're at 20 Pine Road in Natick at a single family home, 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. We're starting in the master bathroom. Nice big tub, looks like jacuzzi style. Great, nice vanity, double sink, mirrors, toilet. From here we're going to the master closet of the bedroom, shelves on both sides. Great, lots of space. Now we're entering the master bedroom. Very nice, spacious. So that's the first bedroom. Now we're going into the second bedroom on our right. A smaller bedroom, probably ideal for a child's room, nursery, or perhaps a home office with a view on the backyard. Let me show you the big backyard out there. It's getting a little dark, but you can still see the pool. Spacious yard if you had pets, dogs, running space. Great. Moving on into the third bedroom on our right. Decent sized bedroom. Possibly can fit a queen bed with a closet in there. Nice deep closet. Our next step is the fourth bedroom on this level. Great, it's getting a bit dark at this hour since it gets dark early, but you can still see the inside and nice lights, so you can see how nice and bright it is. And then imagine when you get the nice sun coming in as well. So plenty of daylight once it's a nice day. Next step is the second bathroom. Let me just put the light on. Here you go, nice decent size as well. Not too tight in comparison to some other things I have seen. Moving on, we will go to the first level. We were on the second floor. Going down. The carpet in the master bedroom as well as the staircase was professionally cleaned. This is the front entry. We will go next to the spacious living room / dining room. Look at this. Very spacious. I love it. And from here we are going to make our way to the fifth bedroom on the first floor. Could be a guest room if you have people to invite over, you need an extra room or spare room. This might be ideal because it's on the side and there's a half bath downstairs on this floor. Next, our step is into the spacious kitchen with a sliding door into a very nice deck. Oops, here you go. Very nice. Kitchen features all the appliances, stainless steel, gas grill, 5 burner, I believe. Very nice, beautiful countertops. This is one of the nicest kitchens. All right, and from here we will go to the laundry area, and this is the side entry door. And last is the half bath. And this is on this floor. There you go. And one more level, which would be the finished basement that can be used for storage. So we make our way there. And more storage to the side, and the owner was graciously left empty shelving for you to use. Thank you.